Me again explaining Whiteboard.chat and how to use it for a group. So this is an activity that I am having my students do in the Quest room. Well, I should say all the Quest teachers are. It is a way for them to collaborate and to learn how to communicate correctly with each other. So this is a board that I made. I just snipped pattern blocks and pulled over the patterns from the palette, which I can show you another time. We also have some coloring pages. But I want the kids to each have, be able to go into it with their group and work on it at the same time. So I'm not going to be giving the groups all of these things, but I want to show you how to take a board and really easily turn it into groups. So up at the top, you're going to click on the avatars, which is the circle with the letter inside. Once you click on it, all you have to do is create group board. So we are going to pre-create these groups. So to do that, you can just type in group 1, comma, group 2, comma, and so on. Or I was talking to, gosh, I can't remember who it was, a couple of teachers about primary. So maybe you want to actually put the students' names. So you could put like Sarah, John, and Kayla, comma, Bob, Brittany, Joe. So now I have two groups, but it has their names on it. So I'm going to choose pre-create groups. And now the groups have all of these boards and these people will be able to click on them. So to give it to a student, you are going to still click on this invite button and give them the same invitation code or the link that you would previously. But the difference this time see if I can show you. When the students log in, they are going to type their name in. And now, instead of it bringing them directly to their board, they'll click and pick what group they're in. So they'll find the one with their name on it. And now Bob, me, and Joe can all work on this together. We all have the same tools. You can draw on things. I'm not sure why these tools aren't coming up. Could be that I need to refresh my board. But it allows all of the students to work on the same board really easily create groups. You can put them into their breakout rooms if you want, and they still will only have this one link. So it just makes it a lot easier for you to set up and create. Again, you only have to do one link. You don't have to worry about having 1,000 whiteboards. And then as a teacher, you'll still be able to see everything that they're doing using the group board. You can see that I was drawing on this one. You can see that this is the group I'm in. And if I wanted to, I could showcase, which means I get to show everyone the board without the name on it. Or I could join that board and I can give them feedback. So once it joins the board, I can then give them some feedback using the drawing tools, or close that, using the drawing tools or whatever it is that I need to do. I could use the text tool. I could bring over Bitmojis from the palette. I can just remind them of a couple things, but this allows you to see their board, work with them on their board, and have students work collaboratively. So again, you just create your board the same way I showed you before by hitting Start Teaching. Create your boards the way you want to. Go up to the avatars and hit Create Group Board. give them the invite, and when they go in, they can choose which group they are in, and that is it. You'll still be able to see everyone, and they'll be able to work. Please reach out if you need any help or if you want to learn more.